Hey guys, Kelly here with Mobile Speed Screens. Wanted to show you another install that we just finished. This is our VistaView Plus retractable screen door. It's for a cantina, lock cantina, bifold opening. A lot of people are making these doors. It doesn't have to be lock cantina glass doors. In this case, it is the lock cantina bifold doors. This door is 14 feet by 8 feet tall, 14 feet wide by 8 feet tall. They go bigger than this, believe it or not. This is kind of your mid-range, maybe on the larger side, but either way we can accommodate for larger openings if we need to, or shorter openings if we need to. The way these function is you turn the handle, okay, and when you stop, when you let go of the handle, the door stops. That's what's so cool about the Wizard VistaView door, is that it has a braking system, and so it will stop when you release the handle. In order to get the door working, you need to turn the handle and pull or push, whichever works best. All right. When you get to the side here, it will stop and be clicked and latched and ready and in good position there. To release it, open, walk it all the way back or wherever you'd like. It's a very smooth, easy pull or push. Come on outside and I'll show you what it looks like from the outside. One last thing, actually, I'd like to show you the cassette that's on the inside. It's in this case, because the door is so big, it is an 80mm cassette or housing unit here that holds the roll of mesh. They do come smaller for smaller openings. So if we get into a smaller 8 foot by 8 foot opening, you would have a 60mm cassette. All right, go on outside and I'll show you what it looks like. And in this case, these folding doors, the lock cantina folding doors, shut. And if you want to see the inside, what it looks like when the screen door is not engaged. And you really don't even know it's there. And that's it. Kelly with Mobile Speed Screens. Thanks.